We're gonna drive to the spot where we're gonna be sledding today. You can see on the side street we got some snow here, so join us. Give us a like if you're not a subscriber. You know what to do. Smash that button, give us a like, subscribe. We'll see you on the next video, but watch the entire film video so you can see where we're gonna be skating.
And guys, if you're not subscribed and you don't hit that red button, and in 3 seconds we're gonna come to your house and I'm gonna eat all your cookies, and you're gonna get a notification from YouTube saying that your account will be banned if you don't subscribe. So please subscribe, because we're over here needing 5,000 subscribers.
You heard it. Let's drive. We're gonna find out if they have a lot of people or not. Sunday evening, so I hope we have a few people.
I got the edit.
You can talk, because I'm gonna remove the sound and put music in it.
Alright, Timmy, I posted. I gave you the edit. That one, I could do that one, I think. Treat me like my teens. Don't get me dirty. Hey, you came still.
I don't see anybody over there sledding. I see some tracks, which means some people are over there.
Me dirty.
That's why we're gonna be sledding. See, to my left, to my right, over there, we see only one kid. Well, let's go find out. Actually, it's more than one. Alright, let's go sledding. Thanks for watching. Peace out.